So here's the prompt. Can you provide some blog post ideas to a customer related to customer experience? And you can specify the focus areas, the target audience, blah, blah, blah. And then can you help me organize my customer data spreadsheet? It'll tell you like how to use Excel. Say you wanted to find the formulas for Excel. Ask ChatGPT. It's really right there. And in most cases, those type things are pretty accurate, and that they'll just work. But again, don't believe everything you hear. Another thing that I think is you can have it write. Like if you said you want to write an article, or you could have it write a book. I mean, literally, you could define the chapters, the topic of each chapter. I could write a book in 10 minutes if I had like, here's the chapters, here's the storyline, here's the whatever. I punch all that in, I hit enter, and 10 minutes later I'm going to have an entire book written for me. It's literally that powerful. And the better you are at the prompting, and you could even write it under, let's say, and I want it to have a Shakespearean bent, or I want to write a marketing plan like Grant Cardone would write, or some other marketing person that you may find relative or interesting. So very, very, very powerful in the writing skills of say OpenAI. And then, of course, here's another one. Can you help me respond to a customer support ticket about a billing issue? Provide the necessary information. Drop in what the customer asks, drop in the customer's question, and it'll give you that. And you could even say, and I want to write this in a caring, customer service tone, or, any words that you put in there about that. The AI bot that I'm working with that does language, literally there's about 14 different things that I am telling that language bot to use. The tone, the rhythm, the speed, everything about it can be prompted with just common language to say what you're trying to arrive at. So prompting is very powerful in AI because it understands language, the word. It knows what um, caring means in its tone, because, and I won't get into the whole outcome thing, but it's very interesting when you look at it. It even defines a certain level of humanity, the way that we're made, that I think is really cool, that you can learn from this type of thing. So here's another. Can you assist me in creating a timeline for an upcoming marketing campaign? You can say who the company is, what the words are, the milestones, all the things, discrepancies, the impact, write an outcome statement for. Very powerful. There's another one. Can you help me gather information on my top competitors and their marketing strategies? Specify your industry, your market segment, your key competitors, your geographic region that you want to work out of, and you want to go and have it. These are very powerful things. You want to do a SWOT analysis of your business. Again, if you were using like Microsoft Copilot, you'd be able to point it at your own data, and it could arrive at some things that you may or may not be able to see. So again, you can just see the power of this. Monthly sales data, look at the metrics, tell me how we're doing, and you give it that data and it can actually generate results. There's a Python code snippet, well, something's wrong, tell me what's wrong with it. This is for a coder. Here's a function I wrote in Java, the numbers ain't adding up, whatever. Can you optimize the performance of it?